Good morning to all. In this session, we're going to discuss about the clusters. We know that clusters are a group of similar items which is combined together. Here, clusters are used for parallel processing. That means a clusters here refers to group of interconnectors, computers or server that are work together as a unified system so that they can solve a large problem by using the clusters technology. Let me discuss about the type of the clusters. First one is HA clusters, that means high availability clusters. These HA clusters are designed to provide a continuous availability of services by utilizing the redundant hardware and software. In case of failure, what will happen means automatic transfer to a standby mode, that minimizing the downtime and ensuring the uninterrupted operations. Second one is load balancing clusters. This load balancing clusters distributes the incoming workload across the multiple nodes to optimize the resource utilization and improve the system performance. In this case, uh, load balancing is used to avoid the overloading on single clusters, single nodes, and ensuring that efficient handling of the user request. On the third one, which describes about high performance computing cluster, HPC clusters, that is used for data analytics and complex calculations. Uh, this type of clusters as multiple nodes to execute the parallel processing task, significantly reducing the time required to complete that particular task. And the next is data clusters. These clusters are designed for large volume of data, as well as they provide high capacity storage and efficient data retrieval mechanism. These data clustering technologies, uh, like distributed file system and database, ensures the data and availability and fault tolerance. These are the types of clusters. Next, we discuss the clusters various architectures. We have three various architectures. One is shared nothing architecture and shared disk architecture and shared memory architectures. In case of shared nothing architecture, each node in the cluster has dedicated resource. That means including their own processor, memory, and storage. In this case, node can communicate among them by passing the message over a network, and each nodes operate independently. And in this architecture provides high scalability and fault tolerance in shared nothing architecture. Second one is shared disk architecture. In shared disk architecture, all the nodes the cluster shares the uh, standard storage system. In this case, multiple nodes can access and modify the shared disk simultaneously and enabling the efficient data sharing. But here, what is that means? Problem occur means data can access contentions as well as sometimes performance may be decreased due to the utilization of the uh, disk usage. And the next is shared memory architecture. In shared memory architecture, all the nodes in the cluster shares the common physical memory spaces. In this architecture, allow uh, data sharing and communication between the nodes as they can directly access the shared memory. And shared memory architectures are limited by memory capacity and scalability. So the various architecture involved in the clusters. Thank you.